Hey everybody in internet land. Brian here from quantlabs.net. What you're looking at is what I'm considering one of the more important discoveries that I've come across on the internet. Anyone that is interested in piecing together the basic components of a C++ HFT platform in Linux using interactive brokers. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Obviously I'm on GitHub right now. There's this username Kafka399. I've made this discovery thanks to some of the intriguing and very interesting our projects that he's been working on under this sub-project here. I'm going to leave that for another day video or something like that. But namely, there's two sub-projects I want to focus on. The first one is this TSW API. What it is quite interesting. Interactive Brokers in its day released what they call an IB C++ POSIX API, meaning it's a C++ API for POSIX compliant OSs, namely obviously Linux. It's basically got your basic build, but it's an alternative to Microsoft and Windows. So that enables you to still connect into the Interactive Brokers gateway. For obviously your trading and execution, that sort of stuff. So this is a whole project here in C++. I haven't really fully explored it, but I thought I'd just put it out there and let you guys know that this does exist for, again, Linux distros and Mac OS X if you want to. Okay, so there's that one. Another important sub-project that I'm finding is his Java work. It's only one sub-project. I believe that he is the author of this project called JMS Quote. Again, this is using interactive brokers. It's got a listener into what looks up here, again in Java, enabling you to retrieve your quotes in Interactive Brokers, the ECN, and then stream them as they come in. Now, I have not looked at this project, but I have kind of browsed the source code, and it looks quite interesting. Again, this is something that you could work off of instead of building from scratch. So again, this might be a nice component for an HFT platform, again, namely obviously in Linux. Which leads me to another area that I'd like to talk about. Before I forget, one other project. He's also built, very similar to what I'm doing, where I'm using Redis used for clustering using NoSQL. He's using the MongoDB, which appears to be another option as well as an alternative for your NoSQL database. So this is kind of interesting as well. This is, I'm not sure what language this is in. Oh, it looks like it is in C++. So obviously this enables you to connect into a MongoDB repository and enabling you to basically store high frequency data in your MongoDB. So once again, a very interesting project. Thought let you know about this guy. Major kudos should go out to this person out of, I believe it says here Luxembourg, but it might be also Latvia as well. But nonetheless, this looks like good work. Hoping that it works, and we shall see as we get to it. But there you go. Have a good night.